Hello and welcome back to Nicole's DIY. I hope you are all doing well. Today I'm working on Message in a Bottle, and this is going to go along with my coastal beach theme. I took a piece of copy paper and I burnt around all the edges with a lighter, and then I wrapped some twine around it, and I'm going to just open up the paper for you so you can see how I did that. Now I'm not going to demonstrate it for you just because of little children watching, but it's something very simple that you can do. Just be careful and have some water on hand. So on my sheet it is blank, but you can actually write something very lovely on here. A word of encouragement for somebody, a scripture, something very thoughtful. Alright, so now it's time to add the sand, and we're going to put the seashells in there. I'm going to add a blue bead just to make a little pop of color, and then we'll add the message in the bottle. I actually purchased cork lights from the Dollar Tree, and it replaces the cork, and you put this plastic inside the lid, and it has beautiful little rice lights. Well, unfortunately the batteries didn't work that were already in it, so I improvised and added some rice lights at the end just to show you that you can add some lights into it. And then I also showed you one without the lights. If you are new to my channel, I want to thank you for stopping in, and I hope that you would consider subscribing and liking and sharing my videos. I want to say hello to all my subscribers and my friends and family from YouTube. Thank you for all your prayers and concern. It meant so much to me. Now, using some of my leftovers from Dollar Tree, I will be painting this wheel or a helm brown and then gold. And what I'll do with this embellishment is I will stand it up against the message in the bottle. Now this is with the lights. I will be using a coaster holder to prop up my bottle, and it looks very beautiful. I got it at Kirkland's many years ago, and it usually has initials in it, and I just thought that it would be really pretty and it would pop with the helm. I think it really looks really good together. And you can use what you have on hand, something at the house. Just be careful with little children around. Gotta watch out for those wagging tails, hopping bunnies, and jumping kitties too. Alright y'all, until next time, be blessed.